Question 21b asked the students to describe 3 of the complementary and alternative health products and services available. If we have a look at our syllabus to see where this question would come from, we'd notice here that it says complementary and alternative healthcare approaches. We've got reasons for growth, we've got range of products and services, and we've got how to make informed consumer choices. If we go and have a look at the sheet that we actually gave you for your exam study, what you'll notice here for 21b is we've got the point complementary and alternative healthcare approaches, then underneath it, range of products and services available. So we've taken out the other 2. If we go back to the syllabus again, just have a quick look. We've taken out reasons for growth of complementary and alternative health products and services, and we've also taken out how to make informed consumer choices. So students should have known that for this question, they were going to get a 6-mark question purely based on the range of products and services available. So overall, I think it's a very, very simple question because we've taken out the 2 other parts of the syllabus that weren't going to be required. You knew exactly what you were going to get. If we go and have a look at the actual question here, so again it says describe 3 of the complementary and alternative health products and services available. Key parts here is describe, so that's going to be the characteristics and features, as well as we need to talk about 3. So it must be 3, and looking at the characteristics and features of them. What I like about this student here is they've actually written the dot point up the top. You can see up the top here, it's written range of products and services available. We go through and we have a look at it. The question's only asking for 3. 3 complementary or 3 alternative health products. You don't need to come up with 6 in total. So it's only 3. So what we've got here is, so this student's gone through acupuncture, underlined, and it's included 2 areas or 2 characteristics and features of acupuncture. Same again, we move further down, osteopathy. There's 2 different characteristics and features that are included for osteopath, as well as naturopathy. Same thing again, there's another 2. So for each of the 3 areas that we're given, there's 2 different types of characteristics and features that have been included in this answer here. So that's what makes this very, very good. It's exactly as the question's asked, the characteristics and features of 3 of the complementary and alternative health products and services available. We've seen that they're underlined, so from a marking point of view, they stand out. They're there. 1, 2, 3. So it's very easy to identify and see what the student's actually talking about. Some of the problems that arose from this question was that students were including massage as a form of alternative healthcare approach. Now that's actually would not be correct and would not be true because massage would come under some different aspects of alternative healthcare approaches. And so massage is not one. It is something that happens in some of these ones. For example, we know that during naturopathy, there's going to be some elements of massage taking place. All right, so we need to make sure that we're not using massage. Massage is something that may happen during, but it's not actually a form of complementary alternative healthcare approach. Some other things was setting out overall was poor. You can see by this student's answer that they've done, as I mentioned before, a very good job in terms of underlining the 3 areas. But for a lot of people, it was poorly set out, no underlining. So from a marker point of view, again, you can't see what's been set out and how it's been presented. The information that was given was very basic. So for 6 marks, you can't just write, naturopathy is just massaging of the body. You'd need to talk about, in a bit more detail, some of the specific characteristics and features of that form of alternative healthcare approach. And you need to remember too that aromatherapy also talks about massage, so that's going to come into it. But overall, a lot of students didn't do a very good job. Physiotherapy was another one that was included here that isn't a part of alternative and complementary medicines. So you need to keep that in mind as well.